Pihu, is everything all right?
Mama, I have to make a project on air pollution and I'm not getting any proper material in any of the books.
Don't worry. Come here. I will help you find some interesting things from the internet.
Mama, why do we have sharp Qnet, not any other air purifier?
Because Mama cannot compromise when it comes to health. And Sharp Qnet Sensational Air Purifier with Humidifier is the best. And when it comes to family, we always choose the best.
Why it is the best?
Let me take you in the perfect pollution-free world of our air purifier.
Look, Mama, as we entered, Sharp Qnet air purifier with humidifier has sensed our presence.
Yes, and it has started functioning accordingly. The brain of Sharp Qnet Sensational Air Purifier gives command based on the inputs from 7 sensors to start the process of cleaning air accordingly. The same way how we can touch, see, taste, feel and hear. And Sharp KC-G60 has a unique blower design that uses an innovative design to suck in and propel more air, and that results in high clean air delivery rate or CADR. Its rear side has a larger surface for suction, and its unique efficient airflow design pushes large volumes of air at high pressure at a given point of time from the air output, allowing clean air to reach farthest corners of the room. It is because of this unique design that the incoming volume of air equals outgoing volume of air. Due to the internal high pressure, the clean air reaches all corners of the room and as far as 540 square feet.
And this makes our Sharp Qnet air purifier better than any other air purifiers.
Not only this, there are various unique benefits that make our air purifier better. Let me tell you all one by one. But firstly, I will tell you about the award-winning Plasma Cluster Ion technology. People often mistake ionization with plasma cluster. Our air purifier has plasma cluster ion technology that decomposes gases and microbes. It kills the commonly found microbes on the surfaces and in the air while keeping the air clean. And there are plenty of certifications from across the world to prove its effectiveness. All non-ventilated corners are a breeding space for microbes. It even comes from the dust particles gathered on the sofa, food particles that are left over while we eat, and other leftover stuff, our pet, or even cooking in the kitchen. Most of the invisible pollutants are concentrated up to 4 feet height. Sofa, carpet, pets, bed, and my precious Pihu breathes at that height. Thanks to the high-density plasma cluster shot, which gushes out from the front, this space is now safe and sterilized. Not only that, the humidifier in the device, through the process of natural evaporation, maintains the relative humidity in the entire room.
Mama, how is it possible for one air purifier to perform these many functions?
It is also because of the double deodorizing filter, also known as the Panda filter, and the charged HEPA class H14 filter. The Panda filter installed in the Sharp QNet sensational air purifier captures and decomposes VOC, nitrogen oxide, sulfur dioxide, carbon monoxide, toluene and haze compounds that a normal carbon filter cannot.
Then what does the HEPA filter do and how is it better?
Unlike other HEPA filters where due to the particles getting trapped everywhere, the air passage reduces over a period, while in case of the charged HEPA filter in Sharp QNet sensational air purifier, the particles are captured over the entire surface, then are dropped and accumulated at the bottom corners, thereby keeping the air passage free. And we end up having clean, fresh air in the room, which keeps us healthy, smiling ever, and the credit goes to our Sharp QNet sensational air purifier with humidifier. Sharp QNet sensational air purifier with humidifier with up to 10 years of filter life ensures peace of mind. Sharp KC G60 air purifier with humidifier is exclusively marketed in India by QNet. Sharp QNet sensational air purifier with humidifying function for the sensational feeling that takes you from turmoil to tranquility wherever you are.